Allah, Allah, I'm going to be your father. They looted us. They destroyed everything. Russia, China, India. Now it's Anatolia. We sacrifice our lives but won't give up an inch of our land. Now it's time to unite and become one. You have nowhere to escape from Genghis Khan's army. Welcome to the world of Mongols. Who are you? I'm the demon of this hell. I'm not over until the last drop.